and welcome to my channel. My name is Julia and I invite you today to see how I realized this makeup look, which incorporates this wing black eyeliner and bold red lip. If you want to see how I did this look, I invite you to watch my tutorial. I already moisturized my face and I apply my sunscreen. I will use this Cover FX Pore blurring primer, and I will apply on the area where I have larger pores. Then I'm coming with my foundation. And a beauty blender. Always spread your foundation from the center of the face through the perimeters, because usually on the center you have more pores or discoloration, and you don't want to stay with foundation not blended on the center of the face. So all the time start from in to out, if it makes some sense. Then with whatever is left on your whatever is left on your blender, drag it onto your neck area to not have some harsh line. Okay, now before applying my concealer, I will use this peachy corrector. It's coming from Maybelline, and I will target my blue areas from under eye, because I want to cover up this tone. Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in shade Vanilla. Not sure if you can see, I will list it down below. And I will apply on a V shape. Not too much, because this concealer is really pigmented, so it will be heavy if you over apply. Then I will take the mini beauty blender and I will press this. Actually, this is really nice concealer. I recently bought it, and this is the first time when I'm using it on camera. So far, I like it. And I will also use it as my eye primer. Then I will set my under eye area and my lids with this powder, Hyaluronic Hydra-Powder. It's coming with this small sponge. So, well, however, I will just use whatever is here, and really pressing on this area and on my lids. I find this hyaluronic setting powder, it's really good for setting my under eye area. It doesn't dry and it doesn't cake, and my concealer, it looks fresh all day long. So I highly recommend it. I got the mini size version because it's quite pricey, so I didn't want to spend the money to buy full size if I wouldn't like it. I will set the rest of my face using this setting powder from physician's formula. It's called Mineral Wear Talc Free Face Powder. The eye look. I will apply a bit of the shadow in my crease, because even if you are applying only the eyeliner, always is good that you have a bit define your crease area. I'm taking this naked palette, and I'm taking this shade called Commando, and I will run this onto my crease. Just to give it a bit of definition. So keep your eye open while are you blending, and drag the color until the corner of the eye. And I'm holding the brush toward the end to have more mobility, because if I will keep it like this, then I will not be able to freely blend it up. So all the time I'm keeping the brush like this. I don't know if you can see. And by the way, the brush that I'm using is an Maybelline blending brush. Then I will go with a shade slightly darker. This is called Fate. And I will just load a bit on the tip of the brush, not too much. And I will go under the shade I was blending before, so under the Commando. For my eyeliner, I will take this Clinique, which I also was showing you on my Sephora haul. I don't know if this video will come before or after the Sephora haul. It's a brush type. So I will start to apply my eyeliner, starting from the corner. Wow, this liner, it's really pigmented, guys. It's amazing how you can work almost without any problem. So you don't need almost any skills to use this eyeliner. Why I cannot say eyeliner, eyeliner, eyeliner? But when I need to say it, then I will spoil. Guys, I'm sorry for my accent. It's not like I was born speaking English, so that's it. And on the left eye, to not have the problem that I will not have the symmetric wings, I will start by creating the wing and placing it on the same position like it is right now on my right eye. So those being said, my liner is completed, and I'm happy that I found a new favorite. I will define a bit the lower lash area. I will take the same shade that I was using in my crease, and I will take the other side of the brush that is coming with the naked basic ultimate naked basis palette. So I will take the Commando, and I will come with mascara on my upper and lower lashes. I'm using this fully charged fully charged by Pure Cosmetics. I will do my brows and I will contour my face out of camera, and I will come back for the lip look. So I use for contouring my face this contour and highlight from Sleek Cosmetics, and for my blush I was using those two shades mixed up from the Sephora. For my brows I was using a combination of Anastasia Beverly Hills in taupe, and the Maybelline is called Micro Pencil. And now onto the lips. First I will apply a bit of a concealer. Take this pencil from Rimmel and I will contour my lips. A bit upward. So with this red lip liner I will go a bit beyond the nude color I already line it up. Next I will take this Estée Lauder lipstick in shade 340 Envious. I'm sorry guys, I had to go and bring down the source of the screaming, because my little girl has just woke up. Mama. Mama. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Hi. No, she doesn't want. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Comment, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Stay tuned. Bye bye.